Hello and welcome to part 4 of the Lab 8 tutorial. Here I'm going to show you how to specifically set your different variables. The first thing, if you've been playing around, which is fine, the first thing you want to do is you want to reset. You'll see over here it says Settings, Data, Reset, Print. If you click on the reset, it'll ask, are you sure you want to reset? And you click on reset. It's always important to do that first before you start trying to change things, or else they're not going to change. Now you'll notice the defaults are selection strength at 8, and then there's your mutation rate. So we go to our data sheet. The first simulation, everything is constant for selection strength at 0.8, so you're not going to change that one. However, for each trial, you are going to change the mutation rate. So the first one is mutation rate at 0. So we go to settings, and again, we're leaving the selection strength alone. Make sure you read this over because that will help you answer the questions later. The mutation rate, we're going to drag over it, put in a 0, and click on OK. So now mutation rate equals 0. So then what do? Well, you get your data sheet and you see you need to run it 1 cycle. So you go 1 cycle. You read that the mean phenotype is 2. So here in this area you would record a 2. The next cycle is number 2. So you go 1 cycle. See how it says current cycle 2. And you record the mean phenotype, which is 2. You notice the next cycle I have is 5. So just skip ahead to cycle 5. Record your phenotype. The next cycle is 20. So what you can do is go to cycle 10, go to cycle 15, and go to cycle 20. Then notice you're at 20 and you record your mean phenotype. So again, what you will do is for this trial, you will go through everything down to 250. Excuse me. Then you will reset and you will go and do your second trial, which here it's 0.2. So you go to settings, make sure you put 0.2, and go from there. Alright, so for each one of the required simulations and in each trial, you're going to change. Make sure to record all your data that you reset between, and then you will graph that data, which I'll do another tutorial to show you how to set up your graphs.